Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
Well, I got a mussel in my hand. What you got now, First Lady?
I got beer food, but we just...
Ooh, nice.
We just have shrimp, mussels, well, what do you call it? Shrimp, mussel, seafood boil?
Yeah, something simple and light.
I don't know. It's shrimp and mussel boil. Ding! And we also have some corn and potatoes and egg and a sausage.
And the green, what you call it, green pepper,
The cucumber.
Yeah.
And we have some peppers. What else we have? And potatoes.
Potatoes.
Mr.
Yeah,
Potato?
potatoes, egg, the sweet pepper them, right?
Yeah, man.
And the Dame Dash sauce.
Dame Dash sauce. That's right. You know I love his sauce.
His mince.
You know I love his sauce. Can you drink some juice first? With some soda?
Hold on. No way, you tricked me today? Nothing. First Lady, watch out. Seafood time. Can't afford the beard right now. Gotta get down and dirty. Yeah, family, I gotta get down and dirty, so I gotta tape it up. No, gotta wrap it up. No?
Wow.
Oh, look.
You look cute.
Good.
Wow.
Gotta worry down.
You really serious about the seafood? My daughter was like, is the seafood ready?
Greedy. Greedy like a mother.
I was like,
Almost.
almost, don't rush my pot.
Rushing the food from
Before you spoil it.
Dave. Okay. You know, the corn, as always. Good viewing. Jan. Wow.
This is good. I gotta scoot up some more.
Scoot up for it done. And the mussel. They got a pretty shell.
I don't know where to... So much stuff in front of
So
me.
much stuff. They're gonna help out today because it's a lot. Today, we're gonna share a lot with y'all. Sauce, cook it, creeper, right?
Sauce is hitting. That's what you would say.
No cap. This is good. I ain't talking today.
You say it every time.
Good. Let me chew up. I do right and I still talk, man.
I ate a piece of shell. I don't like the shell. I like to suck on the shell, but I don't like to eat the shell.
You like some fun shell? For sure you like some fun?
I sure do.
What you drinking over? You open juice already?
I'm drinking some ginger ale, guys.
Drinking a sun kiss, you know? I like that. ASR. Yeah, I like that, girl. This is good though. Wow. There goes the neighborhood.
I really want to get those shrimps.
Which one?
Those big shrimps. I'm like,
What
every
they call
time I
it?
eat...
Colossal?
Colossal.
Don't worry, Lexi.
Ooh. Family,
Next seafood boil.
we're going to be going fishing soon.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Y'all wanted it, we're gonna go again. Thanksgiving is coming up, so you know what time it is.
Fishing time.
Fishing time. It's coming, y'all will see. You will see. Yo. You know what? It's creep up. But it's good though.
It's like when you first eat it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you how Dame Dash sauce is. If you like pepper, it's perfect. But it's not too pepper. But Dame Dash, good.
Okay.
I just realized I don't have no earrings in.
It's alright. It's alright.
Yeah, follow me.
First day, first lady sausage. First day I look for them the sausage here, you know. Yeah man, first day I give me sausage. She's low to eat the sausage, but I'm hungry, I'm eating it.
But it's like when you eat his sauce, you taste sweet, and it's not overly sweet, and then it's like the pepper just hits you in the back of your throat.
Yes, creeps. Creeps upon you, son.
It's really good. But I get my pepper.
No pepper, no one too.
Look at that, guys.
How you doing? We asked them already? Are we eating? Y'all doing fine? Y'all ready for Thanksgiving? Did y'all put up your Christmas tree yet or not?
I wasn't going up this weekend.
Oh, y'all waiting? Oh, they said they're waiting. They're waiting until
It gets closer.
they get closer. What's your Thanksgiving dishes gonna consist of? Let us know. We're gonna have a beast. Not a feast, we're gonna have a beast.
I thought one of the family members said something.
PA gon' love this, Cali gon' bang this, ATL gon' rock this, New York gon' play this. I like chocolate milk, the new black girl anthem. Me and SK on the beat, got everybody dancing. Yeah. Yeah. Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah.
Cut me. That's the music.
Well, that's true.
Bless me, thank you. Thank y'all too. Wow.
It cut you there.
Like slice me. What's on?
You gotta be careful.
No seafood.
Are you okay? You bleeding?
Nice. I'm gonna bite my lip.
What was I gonna say?
Why is it?
Oh. Thank you, honey. Why is it that when you buy shrimp in the bag, they look big and juicy and just regular.
Regular degular.
Ready to cook. And when you cook them, they look like little babies.
You said we're gonna get a collapso one, right?
Look at that.
Is for those Sam? No? Special order?
Probably. I didn't even want potato.
Yeah, I just bought one. Nice and soft.
Soft, right?
Yeah. What y'all eating? Oh. I said nothing. We're watching y'all. There's a lot to go around today. So y'all can eat, you know. Our birthday the other side.
You know, sir. It
Or
looks
you know,
like
she always like to help, so help her. Take as much as you want from first lady side. Right, first lady? This is great. Great work. What?
napkins.
Right. I'm going to do them? You have enough, right?
Are you guys gonna do like Richie was asking you, the traditional food?
Yeah.
Or do you guys have something that has to be at your dinner table every Thanksgiving? And if it's not there, beer gunshots. Let me know.
Beer bullet. Yep.
Bullet.
Yep. Let us know.
Well, in my house, we have a lot of them.
Yep. Y'all will see. It's gonna be like a party.
If I don't have pudding, which is Jamaican pudding,
First lady is a good baker too.
Oh.
First lady is a jack of all trades.
Let me separate this a little bit. I look like I said I have a lot of food, and then the family member gonna say, you know what, Shanice, you did have more food than Richie.
Yeah, you do. You always do.
Well, yeah, for us, it's a pudding, pumpkin cheesecake. My sister have to make her fried chicken.
Yep.
She have to make her macaroni and cheese.
Yep.
Richie have to have his oxtail.
Remember I told you, oxtail expensive, so. I'm still waiting for the cow. Instagram. Yeah, bro. Let us know.
It's really good.
Sauce pepper doing man.
Yeah. I feel like I've been eating and I haven't tried everything yet. But I know I have. But it just seems like there's so much food here.
Yeah, you don't want to try it. I'll jump into everything already. Family member going because they already know. They know. Here's the first lady. Take her time. Nothing on the beard.
That's true. That is true.
I like that.
It would have been too much.
You have to wipe me down. They haven't been wiping me down a lot because I don't be making my beard messy no more.
You think you got the hang of it?
You know what I mean?
It took you long enough.
Took me a little while. Took me a lot. I'm a pro at it now. Only thing I have is bite my tongue too much because I chat too much.
Well, I can't help you with that one.
Yeah. Family, it seemed like this year just went by real fast, right? In a way, I like it. But I tell you one thing. 2020, y'all gonna always remember 2020.
That's true.
Right, fam? No, let's say right, fam. Right, first lady? Why do they always remember 2020?
COVID.
Yep. Yep.
It's the year that basically everybody was put on punishment. They had to go stay in the house.
Yep.
You notice that?
Yep. And I heard they plan to shut it back down again.
That's what I heard too.
But yeah, this is gonna be a memory. Year 2020. That's crazy.
You know what's crazy too? Is that our kids is gonna be reading about this in the history books.
Yep. That's true. That's so true. Yeah, it's true.
This was a leftover sausage that I had used in the gumbo.
Yo, nobody asked you that, you know. You said the sausage look like them brand new. No, you see what I'm telling you, you chat too much sometimes. Nobody asks. Always chatting up from mouth. You see, sometimes I gotta be edged like this. What you gonna say now? Alright, tell them about the leftover. Tell them about we have leftover potatoes. Then we have leftover corn. There she goes. She tell you everything. She can't chat. My gosh, chatty Chinese. Chat too much money. Then you ask me one thing.
I don't care.
When I show them sausage, they say, wow, that sausage looks so good. Now you gonna tell them we had leftover?
You guys wanna hear a story about the sausage? You guys wanna hear a story about sausage? Mine enough.
You can't chat, man.
The family member, they wanna know.
Yeah, they wanna know, but sometimes you just go chat it out. Sometimes they forget.
Don't forget.
Hold that thought. Go and eat.
I sure will.
Word of wisdom. Chatty Shanice. Chat too much money. In the comment section, thumbs up. So Richie, that was a good word. Ready? First lady?
I'm ready.
Family, hard times will always reveal true friends. You heard what I said? Hard time will always reveal true friend. So, You tell me
That's a good one.
what you think about that. Huh? You know what I'm saying? What happened?
Oh,
All right, over there?
yeah, man. Piece of the a seed from the lemon juice.
I know a lot of people like when you shut up your mouth, you know? I'm not calling no names. A lot of family members.
So what? What you put my
Like
business
when
for?
she needs to tell the business. What she family? What she supposed to be telling you, she not telling you. I got a story in the first time. You know it's coming. I be at them.
Excuse me, what?
I got a story time coming.
You don't have nothing coming.
Yes, Arnett, no, I mean, you asked about it. It's gonna come, Arnett.
He doesn't have nothing coming.
The first time. I know you asked about it. Yeah, I'm gonna let you know. Oh! Family. We have a lot of people want to try the patties. If y'all want to try our patties from our food truck, hit us up at Instagram and we go from there. You understand?
Yeah, man.
If you are serious about it, hit us up. You know what I mean? And let us know what's good. Overnight, we got y'all. Just let us know. Alright? Real talk now.
Ooh.
We're joking around.
Yeah.
I heard it?
No capping.
No capping. Hit us up. And let us know. We got for the vegetarians. We got for the meat lovers. We got all the flavors. Just holler at us. And I guarantee
You'll love
will
it.
come back.
Yep.
Show you the greedy couple ain't no joke. When we say something, we mean it. No cap. But yeah, that story coming the first time. Gotcha.
No, he doesn't.
Family, could y'all please help me out?
Where you been
In
though?
your city. If anybody got the PS5 connections, let me know, please. Hit me on Instagram.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta put it out there. I'm running around looking for it. So if anybody could let me know if they got in their city, just let me know. And I'll copy.
So that's another story time, family.
Well, oh, I gotta tell that one. We got next story time for you, probably tomorrow. But family, seriously, if y'all got a connection about the PS5 because I love my video game, just let me know in the DM, please.
This story time tomorrow, when we can tell you.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna first he started off, and then I'll finish it. Wow,
Almost.
that one was serious.
Serious.
That almost cost me a first dating relationship. Real talk.
Real talk. There would not
That's
have
why-
been a greedy couple.
That's why I tell you, there can't be a strong man without a strong woman. The two first dating.
Yo, if I thought about it earlier, family,
You're talking.
we would have told a story.
That was a good story. But now they can't catch me now.
Yeah?
Threw up on the thing. Yeah?
Wait a minute.
Come on.
Did I tell the family to check out my outfit of the day?
Oh, shit. Put in the clip. In the beginning.
Family! Ush!
But they would know, they would see it.
They would see
If
it.
you reach this far, yeah, calm it down. And tell what we missed on.
I so greedy, we greedy?
Agreed, they were chatting up our mom.
Yo!
That's crazy, son. They'll know, they'll see it.
Family, if you reach this far, the outfit of the day, and just remember.
We appreciate that. We sorry about that.
You don't understand.
We just talking.
Yeah, but you don't understand. When you're around Richie, I say this all the time, but you have to move fast, yo.
Especially with seafood, cause first they greedy, you know, she never me off.
I'm
But
full now.
this was good though, I ain't gonna lie. That's probably tomorrow.
That's a nice little snack. Who do you think gonna get it first, you or Tamia? Tamia.
I'm gonna hide it. We appreciate y'all. We shared a lot with y'all, cause look, we still got more on the plate. We don't do that often. So y'all wasn't hungry today. So, like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady.
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.